welcome back. Sorry I didn't make any videos yesterday. I was busy. But today, no, stay here, look at that Pepsi. Alright, so today, we are making a video on Pepsi. These are one of her many pets. Yeah, one of her many pets, hey. So we have 7 pets in total. 2 dogs, a frog, a rabbit, a bird, a lizard. And she's one of our dogs. She's the youngest dog that we have. Aren't you? You're our youngest dog? She's a girl, as you know. Her name's Pepsi. She's 4 years old. We got her in Sydney. Pepsi, look here. Look here. Look at the beautiful face. She has red, she has brown dots in her face, don't you? She has a black collar with pink underneath. Pepsi, look over here. She's a Beagle Cross Cocker Spaniel, and she's very kind, gentle. Yeah, you know what's that? Pepsi. She's the most. No, stay here and eat it. She's the most cutest dog ever. Like, she's just so adorable. Aren't you? You're just so adorable. And you like sitting on Mama. Love you. Although she's eating away. She doesn't like eating in front of camera. It's like she. Yeah, what else can I say, Pepsi? So I'll be uploading videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Well, no, I'll be uploading videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But yeah, have one of these. These ones are better because have one of those. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'll be uploading videos to my YouTube channel. So I'm sort of breaking up their treats because then it's easier for us to give them to them. Isn't it, Pepsi? And you don't have as much, yeah. But yeah, we give them, yeah. So I figured, why not, do a video at the start of the week, at the end of the week, and in the middle. So I figured I'll start that by saying it. Actually, that's why I didn't do a video before. And I would have. And actually, I'm gonna try and do a starting like tutorial thing. So there's a starting at the start of my video, introducing me, introducing what my channel is all about. So I should have that video. So she's gone. Anyway, her part's done. Yeah, I should have that up soon. I need to try and work out how to actually do that because I don't actually know how to do that. But sorry guys, I'm just topping up their because they have treats like this. But they're so big, and because they have a few a day, we give them a few a day because we train them and stuff like that. I've heard them pretty small. So, yeah. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I will see you guys next week because I won't be able to make a video on Wednesday or Friday because I'll actually be away in Brisbane, doing conference for my being school captain. So I'll be away for those 2 days. But I'll have two videos ready. I might upload one on Tuesday. Actually, I'll post this one today, and I'll post another one on Monday and another one on Tuesday. So that will be this week's videos. So today, Monday, and Tuesday. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe in that red box. See you later.